Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to discuss about one important change in GST, which is change in procedure in relation to application of revocation of cancellation of registration. Earlier, if the registration is cancelled suo motu by the assessing officer, the taxable person can file for revocation within 30 days of the cancellation order. Then the GST officer can, in the manner and within the time frame, can either revoke the cancellation or reject the application by way of an order. In any case, the registered person has to be given an opportunity to be heard. Revocation of cancellation under SGST or UPGST shall be deemed to be the revocation of cancellation under CGST. Now the procedure is changed. CBSE wide circular number 158/14/2021 GST dated 6th September 2021 has clarified that the scope of the above notification would cover the following scenario. We will discuss this circular in detail, and the link for this circular will be provided in the description box. We will discuss in detail. This is circular number 158/14/2021 GST dated 6th September 2021. In this circular, the scope is being changed. We will see the scenarios and the applicability of the application for revocation of cancellation of registration. Everything in detail. Here, the first scenario, application for revocation of cancellation of registration has not been filed by the taxpayer. In that case, application for revocation can be filed up to the extended timelines as provided in the said notification. And this change also covers the instances where appeal was filed against the order of cancellation of registration and that appeal has been rejected. So, application of revocation of cancellation, it is not filed by the taxpayer. It also includes the cases where appeal was filed and the appeal had been rejected. So it can be filed within the extended time period. Then next scenario, application for revocation of cancellation of registration has already been filed and it is pending with the proper officer. In that case, the officer shall process the application for revocation considering the extended timelines as provided in the notification. Then, third scenario, application for revocation of cancellation of registration. It was filed and it was rejected by the proper officer, and the taxpayer has not filed any appeal against that rejection. That case, the taxpayer may file a fresh application for revocation, and the officer shall process the application for revocation, considering the extended timelines as provided in the notification. Then, fourth scenario, application for revocation of cancellation of registration was filed, and the proper officer rejected the application, and the appeal against the rejection order is pending before appellate authority. So here the appellate authority can take the cognizance of the notification for extension of timelines while deciding the appeal. The last scenario where the application for revocation of cancellation of registration is filed, the proper officer rejected the application, and the application has been decided against the taxpayer. In that case, the taxpayer may file a fresh application for revocation. The officer will process the application for revocation considering the extended time period as provided in the notification. And also the time period has been changed. Provides the extension of time for filing application for revocation of cancellation of registration by 30 days. Originally, the taxpayer can file the application for revocation of cancellation of registration within 30 days from the cancellation order. Then an extension of next 30 days has been granted. It will be granted by additional joint commissioner, and another 30 days will be granted by the commissioner. Here one doubt arises that in this notification, it has extended the due date in respect of initial period of 30 days for filing the application, but the registration is cancelled, or whether the due date for filing application for revocation of cancellation, it is being extended, it can be extended further for a period of 60 days. 30 days by additional or joint commissioner, and another 30 days by commissioner. As the case may be, beyond the extended date of 30/9/2021. This clarifies that for 30 days of time limit falls between 1st March 2020 to 31st December 2020. So there is no provision to extend the time period for 30 days and another 30 days. For such cases, the time limit to apply for revocation of cancellation, it stands extended up to 30th September 2021 only. Second scenario, where the time period of 30 days since cancellation of registration is not lapsed on 1st January 2021, or where the registration is cancelled on or after 1st January 2021, the time limit for applying for revocation of cancellation of registration will be extended as follows. First one was the time period of 30 days. Now, time period of 90 was the time period of 90 days, which means first 30 days, plus 30 days, plus 30 days. Since the cancellation of registration, it has been lapsed by 31st August 2021. The time limit to apply for revocation of cancellation of registration will be extended up to 30th September 2021 without any further extension of time by joint commissioner or additional commissioner or commissioner. And second situation was the time period of 60 days and not 90 days. Since the cancellation of registration, it is being completed by elapsed by 31st of August 2021. The time limit to apply for revocation of cancellation will be extended to 30th September 2021 with the extended timeline by another 30 days beyond 30th September 2021 when Commissioner is being satisfied that the time limit can be extended as per the provision to subsection 1 of section 30 of the CGST Act. For the time limit of 30 days, it is not 60 days or 90 days since the cancellation of registration is being completed by 31st of August 2021. The time limit to apply for revocation of cancellation of registration stands extended to 30th of September 2021 with the extension of timeline by another 30 days beyond 30th September 2021 by the Joint or Additional Commissioner and another 30 days by the Commissioner on being satisfied as per provision to subsection 1 of section 30 of the CGST Act. These are all the changes which is being introduced as regards application for revocation of cancellation of registration via circular number 158/14/2021 GST dated 6th September 2021. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. For further notifications, please press the bell icon. Thank you.